Hey, welcome. Thanks for taking the time to visit. I'm Robin, and I'm the Omara of Omara Ag Services. I started this company in 1998 doing design-build construction and equipment sales for seed and edibles products. For 15 plus years now, we've been manufacturing many of the products used in the plants we build. We strive to find what fits your quality, your capacity, and your financial needs. Our mantras are build lasting value, heavy duty comes standard, ease of install and use, and minimize risk for our customers. Our Omara branded line of equipment that we manufacture includes belt conveyors, bucket elevators, bulk fill systems, storage bins, seed corn dryers, bag slitters, and more. Our plan to begin manufacturing developed as we grew tired of others' quality, price, lead time, performance, or they just wouldn't build what we needed. I have this amazing factory right outside my office door, plus a great team that helps me do the heavy lifting. So, why Omara for your next project? Being a design-build contractor and a manufacturer lets us bake it in, avoiding the middleman costs. We let you choose, a la carte so to speak, our level of involvement. Our build-in the seedsmanship approach to manufacturing and our pre-build all that we can approach to construction rewards our customers with added value. That seedsmanship I speak of means we do our best to not degrade, contaminate, or throw away your high-value product. Omara Ag partners with many lines of equipment needed in your plant, from cleaning through robotic palletizing. Our heart is in our brand. We take personal responsibility very seriously. Combining those things with common sense and practical farm experience makes us your best choice. I'd like to ask that you put our expertise, experience, and creativity before capital approach to work for you. I am proud to list many satisfied customers as a testament to the hard work we do. At Omara Ag, we are built for seed.